remove the negative terminal from the battery, just use a 8mm wrench. And just slide that out of the way. Take this cover off, you just use a 8mm socket. Remove this bolt. Just pull the cover up and slide forward. Loosen up this worm clamp right here. Use a straight blade screwdriver. Loosen this clamp as well. Take this hose bracket off of the intake. Just use a trim tool and pop this off, just like that. Grab it right here, just rock it back and forth, sliding it forward, and also right here. Pop it off and pull it up. Take this connector off, just use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pry right here. There's a little lock tab on there, pry that back. And then you can push down on the lock and slide the connector out. Now there's 3 nuts that hold it on. Take the nuts off, use a 10mm socket. All right, take those off. Sometimes it takes the whole stud out, that's okay. And just grab this hose. Give yourself a little more slack. Now take some pliers. You want to make sure the vehicle is not hot when you're taking this off. You don't want the hose to spray coolant out at you. You might lose a little bit of coolant. So I'll take that hose off first. I'll just use some hose pliers. Try to twist the hose back and forth a little bit. Loosen it up. You could always put some hose clamps on these to prevent more coolant from coming out. And there's a little bit of coolant. Always clamp this off right here. And take this clamp off right here. Just use needle nose pliers or hose clamp pliers. Use my hose pliers. And just twist it back and forth. Slide it out. Wipe out any dirt, and it's always good to replace the seal. So pull the old seal out, put a new seal in. Take the new throttle body. Be very careful with this, you never want to drop it. They're pretty sensitive. Slide the hose on. And slide the clamp back in position. If your clamp is weak, you can always put a new clamp on. Get that to line up where it was. That looks good. Slide it over the other hose. That hose is on there. I can take this clamp off. And smooth the hose clamp. It's in position. Slide the throttle body over the studs if you still have the studs in. If not, put the studs in and the nuts. And torque these nuts to 89 inch-pounds. And line this hose back up. Take the connector, line it up, lock it in place, push the lock in. And take the snorkel, line it up. Put it on the throttle body, and then over here on the airbox, or over the mass airflow sensor, hook this holder on, just like that. Straight blade screwdriver, tighten up the worm clamp, snug that up, and tighten this one up. Slide the cover in position. And tighten down the bolt. Take the negative terminal, connect it to the battery, use an 8mm wrench and tighten it up. Just make sure won't wiggle loose. That's good. With a scan tool attached to the vehicle, turn the key on. We go through the PCM. We want to find TAC data, TAC data, and we're looking for throttle position, indicated angle, and we're going to do desired angle also, and hit confirm. It's going to take a minute. All right, this is with the vehicle not running. Now I'm going to push down on the accelerator slowly. Watch the values change. And they go up to 100%, which is good. Let off the accelerator. Just make sure they come pretty close to each other. All right, I'm going to let off. Now I'm going to start the vehicle. You want to just keep an eye on the RPMs. And that looks really good right there. And the RPMs look good. Let it stabilize. And that looks really good. Just check the throttle response. Just rev it up a little bit. Make sure everything seems to be working good before you decide to drive away. It's a good idea to drive some slow speeds before you actually take it out on the road. Just drive around in a parking lot or parking lot speeds. Make sure everything's good. Should be good to go.